An easy way to lose weight without thinking about it. One of the most difficult parts of losing weight is finding motivation and convincing yourself that you can do it. Many people overthink their diet, causing them to become overwhelmed and give up. This is especially true if you're hungry on your diet, forcing you to constantly be reminded of it. The only way to experience lasting results is to incorporate your diet into your everyday life. This means that you should diet without thinking about it. The keto diet is one of the best ways to lose weight without thinking about it, because you feel full and happy the entire time. Here's how. The keto diet. The keto diet is relatively simple to understand. Limit your carbohydrate intake so you can kickstart ketosis. Ketosis is when your body runs on fat, not glucose. You can only run on fat by limiting the number of carbohydrates in your system. Unlike other diets that require you to count calories meticulously, the keto diet only requires you to watch your carb intake. This means that you can eat a lot of the yummy foods you already love and enjoy. Steak, bacon, and butter are all still allowed in moderation. What makes the keto diet different from other diets is that you only constrict your carbohydrate intake. This means that you reduce the number of grains, sugar, fruit, and legumes that you eat regularly. Most people on a keto diet only eat between 20 and 50 grams of carbohydrates a day, roughly 3 pieces of bread. What to eat? When you cut these foods out of your diet, you replace them with fat-heavy foods like meat, avocados, and nuts. These foods will let you feel full longer while still helping you lose weight in the process. Aim for foods that are high in protein and fat but low in carbs. The following is a list of foods to eat when on a keto diet. Meat, fatty fish, eggs, butter and cream, cheese, nuts and seeds, healthy oils, avocados, low-carb veggies. How to lose weight without thinking about it. You might be wondering, how does this help me lose weight without thinking about it? It is true that the keto diet is more difficult to sustain, but once you get the hang of it, you can lose weight without thinking about it. If you train your mind to detect foods high in carbohydrates, you can easily avoid the foods you need to while remaining full and satisfied. By this, I mean that you start picking foods low in carbs without ever thinking about it. By restricting your carbohydrate intake, you can eat until you're satisfied while still losing weight. You don't have to feel hungry or constantly be reminded that you are dieting to enjoy weight loss on the keto diet. Final thoughts. Many diets are hard to get the hang of and leave you feeling hungry, but the keto diet doesn't have to be one of them. By learning what foods you can and can't eat, you can enjoy every one of your meals until you are satisfied while still losing weight. This allows you to lose weight without thinking about it or even realizing that you're dieting.